Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about the task which I done for the prediction of students percentage based on the number of hours he's studying. First, I have imported all the required libraries for me to write down the code, like the pandas, numpy, matplotlib, sklearn model selection, sklearn and linear model. After that, I have read the data and got into the data frame from the remote link. As you can see here, this is the data which was given. From the given data, I have found the mean, the standard deviation, the quartile range, and etc. After that, I have found the correlation between the hours and scores which is provided in the data. Coming to the plot here, I have plotted the distribution of scores like this. After building every model, we need to train that model. For training the model, I have imported train test split, in which I have divided the X train, X test, Y train, and Y test, and given the test size as 0.2. After that, I have found out the intercept which is present in the regression and coefficient of regression. After that, I have plotted the regression line through the formula regression of coefficient which is multiplied with x plus intercept. After that, I have plotted the regression line which where you can see this plot. Here it clearly shows that the data is following linear regression. After that, I have found out the testing data which is in hours. Nothing but y predicted is equal to regressor 1 into regressor dot predict of x test. The comparing, and after that I have compared the actual versus predicted data where I have got the results as follows. After that, I have tested with my data where the hours which are I have taken it as 9.25, and the predictor score of a student for study after studying for 9.25 hours is 92.909, etc. After that, I have found out the mean square error, mean absolute error, and root mean square error. I hope everyone liked this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.